Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at this abandoned excavator that's in the middle of this big empty field, as you can see. It's not going to be much, but still kind of cool that's just sitting here. I think it's been here since like maybe 2017-ish, 2016 maybe. Not 100% sure. There's the bucket. As you can see, the arm is still attached to it. And then here's the other part of the arm. Not sure why there's left here. There's a mall really close to this that I'm pretty sure helped build it, but I'm not really sure why they left it. Here's the side. My buddy's climbing up it. The back of it. Okay, here's under the machine. Some wires, and here's a toolkit for, like, I think maybe they repair it. It's all empty and full of water though. Fort Utah, I think this says. Anyway, here's the other side of it. Here's the inside of it. Now there would have been a fire extinguisher there, but as you can see, someone took it. There's also a can of like oil back there. I'm not gonna touch it as I don't have gloves. Here's the driver's seat. There's an old fan right there that's been broken. All the controls, some bolts in there. Okay, here's behind the seat. Some garbage back there, some wires. The exhaust. There's a whole bunch of pipes that would be underground over there that I'll check out after this. Look at the view though.